This video will showcase the 6 best iPhone repair tools on the market. 1. iOS System Recovery. The best iPhone repair software I would like to recommend today is iOS System Recovery. This professional iPhone repair utility can repair most iOS system issues for iPhone or iPad or iPod on Windows and Mac computers, including device issues, screen issues, iOS mode issues, and iTunes issues. Besides, it can also downgrade and upgrade the iOS version to the supported version. You only need to connect your iPhone and select the iOS version you like from the drop-down list. 2. iMyFone Fixppo. iMyFone Fixppo is another highly rated iPhone troubleshooting software. It is mainly used to fix issues such as the iPhone being frozen or stuck on the Apple logo or recovery mode, failing to update, and more. Apart from the scenarios we mentioned, it can also fix Apple TV issues and other iPadOS or iOS problems. 3. iMobie PhoneRescue for iOS. Another iPhone iOS repair software is PhoneRescue for iOS. Although not a free iOS repair software, it is unbiasedly the most user-friendly to use. With this app, you can repair considerable system problems such as iPhone stuck issues, activation problems, update failures, etc. More than that, you can also recover the lost data from the iTunes backup, iCloud backup, or iPhone directly. Thus, you won't worry about losing data anytime. 4. Tenorshare ReiBoot. Tenorshare ReiBoot is a quite popular iOS repair software in Google. It tackles different kinds of iOS system problems and restores your iPhone to the factory status without iTunes help. Also, it enters and exits the recovery mode with only one click. 5. TunesKit iOS System Recovery. In terms of iOS repair tools, you can also consider TunesKit iOS System Recovery. This program has a simple and intuitive interface, and you can solve a great many iPhone system problems under the standard and advanced modes without referring to the video tutorial. 6. Dr.Fone System Repair iOS. The last recommended iPhone repair utility is Dr.Fone System Repair iOS. This tool often excels in repairing iOS system problems like iPhone keeps turning on and off, iPhone stuck issues, connection issues, iTunes errors, and many more situations. Worth mentioning, it is effortless to use. All you need is to connect your iPhone to the computer and install the app, and this program will assist you in doing the rest of the things.